Hello, welcome to our iOS 15 SharePlay Build a Group Drawing App course. At WWDC 2021, Apple announced a new exciting feature called SharePlay, which lets you enjoy activities together with your friends connected on a FaceTime call. With SharePlay, users can watch their favorite movies with friends, listen music, or even enjoy your app together. In this course, we will be building a group drawing app for SharePlay. Let's see a demo of the completed app we will be building in this course. As you can see, this app will allow users connected on a FaceTime call to draw on a shared canvas. Any change made by a participant will be applied to the shared canvas instantly. Anyone will be able to draw onto a clear canvas. It will be a fun app to build and learn a new framework. You will learn about iOS 15 SharePlay. SharePlay is powered by GroupActivities framework, which we will learn in detail. Along the way, we will learn how to use async await, which was introduced in Swift 5.5. We will use PencilKit framework to easily build the drawing app. SharePlay is a new exciting feature, which opens up the possibility of many cool apps. By enrolling in this course, you get a serious head start over the other developers building SharePlay apps. This course shows you every step of building a complete SharePlay app. Every concept introduced in this course is clearly explained. So, welcome you to the course and let's begin our journey together. Thank you.